Hi, I'm Jennifer Martin, and I am the principal of the Hemet Quest Student Center. We service students from grades TK through 6th grade. I realized in our valley what I really wanted to create was a place that was a sanctuary for our students. A place where our students could come to school, feel safe emotionally, physically, that they could conquer any mountain that came before them, even if they fell down 10 times getting there. We were still going to help them get to the top, and we were going to celebrate every step forward they made.
I just like this place because it's really fun, and we do a lot of fun things, especially towards the end of the year, where we have big parties for all of our accomplishments, and we get a bunch of awards, and I like it. It's nice to come here, and it's really nice to make friends, new friends. Even if you're new here to this new city, well, I just want to say welcome to Hemet and welcome to our school, and would you like to be friends?
What I love most about the school is seeing the kids learn and want to succeed and follow their goals, set goals, and then try to stick to them and want to grow as a student.
Nuestra escuela es muy especial porque todos los niños vienen de muchas diferentes familias, sus culturas son muy diferentes, pero cada una son apreciadas. Todas las maestras, especialmente yo que he crecido en este valle, sé que los niños ocupan sentirse que son especiales, que son muy valuables, todos tienen un lugar. Especialmente con las familias hispanas, me gusta sentir que ellos están conectados con las escuelas, hablarles en español y enseñarles que sí les entiendo y que puedo ayudarles a que los demás también los puedan entender.
My job is just to stress teamwork, building up confidence, self-esteem through PE, through sports, building our community as a community where we all strive together and support each other and work together, understanding though that we just want you to come here and just give 100% effort.
This year, our real big focus is to bless our students and let our students be a blessing to others. So what does that mean? The B, belonging. We want to make sure everyone feels like they belong and they include others. The L is for literacy. We have a huge focus just to focus in on literacy, make sure every student is ready to read at grade level, and making at least a year's growth every year. The E, enrichment through arts and music. We want our students to be able to have arts and music with a math focus so they really have some connections to make meaning for them. S, self-regulated learning. We want our students to set goals, manage them, check in on themselves, and be able to move forward. And finally, servant leadership. That's really a new piece for a lot of schools, but in our school, we give a lot, and we want our kids to understand the meaning of that and give back. So while they're doing that, they're working with different service organizations, they're giving back within our school community. They're not only feeling the gratitude of people giving to them, but they're also understanding the sacrifice and pleasure of being able to serve others.
Here at Springs, because we have our community that feels like family, knowing your students really well is the most important aspect of this, and then from there on you individualize their learning and in your teaching so that you can tailor it to their learning.
We have personalization throughout the whole day in every subject. We have personalization through reading groups where kids are grouped in their necessary reading levels so they interact with each other and they're all on the same page. And then we have kids who are much higher readers. They can read more independently and they come together as through literacy circles. We create different ways for them to meet their ICANNs independently. They can choose what they want to work on in the ways that they want to show that they've mastered a skill.
Every teacher here that I have had, they are really nice, and I feel like I can't do something. They help me get through it, so then I've never really failed.
There's many reasons that I love this school. The main reason is just the whole sense of belonging that we represent at our school and making the children feel safe and comfortable. That's our number one priority, is making sure that they feel like they're able to come to school and have a fun education in a safe environment.
Love this school environment because I really see that parents get more input in this school environment, and because we focus on making each kid feel like they belong.
I think a parent can expect that pretty much everybody here is going to know your kid's name. I've had parents tell me, like, I love it here because my kid's in second grade, but the sixth grade teacher knows her name. So it's just a nice, small, tight community, and everybody's looking to help everybody out.
I think what makes us most connected as a staff and being able to reach out to our students is our morning meetings. We meet every morning for 10 minutes. During that meeting, we have times for staff to give one another shout outs. We spotlight students and we celebrate them.
I think the school's role is creating that sense of belonging and them knowing that this is a safe place for them to come to, for them to learn and to be engaged and, of course, enjoy their learning environment.
Sometimes students, are doubtful, or sometimes they don't even know that they're struggling in a certain area, and so I just always like to highlight what they do so well and just make connections with them about like the tiniest thing that they're good at and just making them see that.
I'm seeing kids now who have a love for reading. We practice our stamina with reading, and every class does that so that we can get kids to be able to attend to reading for like at least 20 minutes at a time. And so I consider it a success when kids say, is the 20 minutes up? I'm not done yet. I want to keep on reading.
Reading is my favorite subject because I like to write and stuff. I love Hemet. I love my parents.
I would truly recommend sending any child to River Springs Charter School. The sense of community, the sense of learning, and the self-esteem that they get on these kids, and just the one-on-one time is truly amazing. And to watch these kids grow and blossom and have that self-esteem and really feel confident about themselves is truly amazing.
Teachers care about the students that are right in front of them. Every single day we get to go see these same students, and we have a smaller community where we get to hone in on the one individual student. And because of that, I would encourage any parent to enroll their kid into Springs.
Our purpose is to make a difference in this valley. I've been in this valley for over 25 years. I know what we need, and we need kids that feel strong and safe and secure, but more importantly, that they're self-confident and they can conquer anything. And our ultimate goal is to make our valley shine and make these kids know that they can make our place the best place ever.